Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing a little bit something different. Another unboxing. New art supplies. Well, okay, they're not really art supplies, they're just things that I thought I would try. So I got these color change markers from Crayola. I already did open the box, so that's why there's nothing in here. They're sitting over here. So we got red. Okay, so the whole thing with these is that you mix red and blue and it gets this middle color. I think that's how it works. So you like draw over one another, even though it technically doesn't make green. But it goes in rainbow order, and then all the other colors are just like weird different colors. And then I have these. They're just little chunky markers, the tiny little markers. I don't know, I just... Excuse my dogs. So...
Oh, you okay?
Probably can't really see. So we'll go down here. So I guess first we'll just test the markers regularly. I just have a piece of poster board here. Poster paper. That's not poster board, poster paper. That's a really pretty color. If you guys can see that, not orange, that color right there. It's really pretty.
Easy.
Pretty good color so far. Really bright and vibrant. This one is the most This is the most I'm excited for. It's more green in real life than it is on camera. Obviously, the saturation is very, very bad. I love that color. So it's red, orange, yellow, green, teal, blue. Oh, that is the wrong side. And then kind of a pinkish purple. It's a skin tone. That is a pretty purple. Although I do like every single color of purple. And also, the off color is a chisel tip, and the actual like rainbow color is a fine tip.
Don't do it. Easy. 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 Easy.
It's probably more red. Yeah, it's more red on camera. It's more purple in real life. Okay, pretty good colors. So now I will show you the swatch. Ta-da! Don't mind the mistake that I made here. So now we truly see if the colors will truly color change. Water break. So, I guess we will just start with red.
Oh, for Gunner, stop.
That is so cool.
Gunner. Stop. Stop. Nope. Stop.
Dude, that is so cool. Does it actually get like the color on it though? It doesn't. Oh, that is so cool. Oh my god, that is so cool. Guys, look at this. Red on blue, blue on red. That is so cool. I guess we'll try orange next. God, that is so cool. I don't know what chemicals go into this. So yellow. Now this makes sense. Yellow and pink does make orange. Or, yeah, orange. It's called bittersweet. Yes, yellow and pink make orange. It's not really, it's kind of a more dark orange. It's more of a reddish orange. Still a little bit orange. Like I said, it's kind of like a red orange. So green and yellow equal bright orange. It's called burnt orange. Sorry, not bright orange. That is so cool. That is so cool. And then teal and pink make royal purple. It's not really, I mean, yeah, it's like an indigo. The fact that it's immediate is insane. That. And then blue on like the skin tone color makes lemon yellow. Actually, that is a yellow, lemon yellow. I'm gonna do so many things with this. Purple and orange make infrared. Oh, infrared. Infrared. Instead of infrared. 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 Ooh, yeah, I like that color. I like that color a lot. That is so cool. And then this purple, red violet and sky blue make fern. I thought that said turn. Fern. Okay, so now to show you the colors. So now here's a few tests, which are gonna be fun for me. So I'm going to draw something and then color it in.
lay down. You need to lay down. You're being a bubble. Should love that.
Okay, so make kind of skunk stroke dude. His hair is covering his eyes, so yes, he has eyes. So now, let's see, what is the coolest one? Probably that one. That one and that one. You guys will get to see this because I'm going to point the camera at it. Okay, so there are the original colors. Now, so, give me a sec, guys. Okay, there we go, got the lid off. So now, purple, from purple to infrared. Ready? We'll start down here. And then, gotta grab the other one. Okay. From this color to royal purple. 3, 2, Ta-da! Okay. That's all good. Now that we've tested these out a little bit, I think it's time to move on to our other thing. Oh, it has a tape thing on it. Got it. Look at, they're so tiny. Okay, time to swatch them. Towards the paper. So we start with, I'm guessing, pale pink. Definitely pale pink. Neon pink. Neon orange. A little bit of a salmon color. So far, no dry ones. White yellow. Basically just neon yellow. Neon yellow. It's probably going to be actually neon yellow. Oh, yep. Okay. So there's the first 7. Pale green. Oh, that's pretty. It's not as bright as neon green, but almost neon green. Pretty much neon green. A little bit lighter. Pale blue.
Nope, nope. Be quiet.
And these don't have colors on them. I'm just guessing based on what the color of the body is. So that's a really pretty color. Blue. regular blue. Light purple. Really pretty. I like that color. Medium purple. And last but not least, indigo. Or I guess, yeah, it's indigo. Okay, really pretty colors. So here's all the colors. Really pretty. Okay, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Like, comment, share, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye, guys.